Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. So we're doing something a little different today. So I got the skiff with me, but we're not really going to be fishing. So we're going to see exactly how far 1 gallon of gas can get us. So I've seen a lot of questions on gas mileage and stuff, so this should solve it. So I got 1 gallon of gas and another gallon tank, but that's just for us to get back. So I think the internal gas tank on the motor is about 0.3 or 0.4 gallons, so we'll probably fill it up 3 times. And yeah, so I'm thinking it'll take us like an hour and a half or so. I'm sure we'll get over 20 miles on it, I think. So another thing on the skiff is like weight plays like a big factor. So just for reference, so I'm like 220, so the motor's about 50 pounds, so that's 270. We have 2 gallons of gas, so I think a gallon of gas is like 6.5 pounds or so. So that's what, 13 pounds. And I have a little bit of stuff with me, accessories. So we'll say roughly around 300 pounds on the skiff. So yeah. So we'll see what the mileage is with 300 pounds approximately on the skiff. And yeah, let's go do it. Let's get into it. Alright guys, just fired up the motor. And yeah, let's start the trolling line. And we'll see how far we go. So let's do it. We'll see you at the end of this gas tank, see how far 1 tank gets us. So here we go. Just ran out. I jinxed it. 6.3 miles. Wide open. 1 tank. Back up. Okay, let's fire her up, round 2. All right, tank number 2. Body part. We out. It's struggling. We're out. 13.9. So that one was like 7.6 miles. Let's say 6 to 7 miles per tank. Well, we have a little bit left, so. All right, number 3. We got 1 more small tank after this, so hopefully it doesn't get dark. First pull, and we're off. Miles. We're gonna go to the mouth of the river. All right, here's the mouth of the river. We're still on that third tank. Should almost be out. Yep, logging down. That's it. Alright guys, this is it. We're at 21.4 miles. Gas can's empty. Just a little bit of gas in there, so we'll see. Let's say we get like 23. Sounds like it's starting to die, I think. Yep, there it goes. I knew it. Dude, this is like perfect, man. We're up by the truck too. 1 gallon of gas took us 24.23 miles. Pretty damn good on gas. So, hell yeah. Alright guys, what's up? Just cleaned the skiff off. It's the next day. I was editing the video footage and I realized I forgot to mention some stuff. So yeah, I was running a 6 horsepower Suzuki outboard. That was kind of important. Forgot to mention that. And yeah, I just wanted to go over the like details on the trip. So we went 24.23 miles, which is pretty dang far for a gallon of gas. Eventually I'll get a 3-gallon external tank and I'm sure we can get 70 miles out of that, which is pretty crazy. Probably won't ever go that far ever. That's insane. But yeah, the skiff is really good on gas, so that's a plus. And our average speed was like 14 miles an hour, so it said like 12.8, but that includes us stopping and stuff. So I think average speed was 14. My top speed's maybe around 15 miles an hour. I need to get a tiller extension handle and maybe that'll distribute the weight better. I'll be able to sit more towards the front of the skiff and maybe we can pick up a little more speed. But yeah, 14 to 15 miles an hour is pretty good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope it answers some of y'all's questions about gas. And I'll see you on the next video. Later.